Hey everyone, I want to start by showing you these newly resined pieces because they're so pretty. Super happy with them. I am going to put another coat of resin on them though because there was only a little bit of resin and hardener left in each of the gallons, and I was like, oh, it's approximately the same amount. Well, it clearly was not. And I have told you guys numerous times, do not approximate with resin. Resin is an exact, chemical reaction. So I learned my lesson. But I will put another coat on. I think this round one's okay. But I will put another coat of resin on top and it will all be good. So, no harm, no foul. Okie dokie. So I'm going to do a flip cap, then I'm going to pull it out a little and then tilt. And I'm gonna see what happens. We've got, last night I spent some time combining the rest of my colors. So these don't have names. You can tell this was some kind of violet and pink mixed. This is Prussian blue and Payne's gray. I have no clue what all is in there. And this is Artist Loft, so turquoise. So that's an actual. And then this is a 10 by 10 canvas, taped off the back. And my white paint is my Dutch Boy paint, Floetrol, and water. I just really shook it up, so I'm going to have a ton of air bubbles, which I'm just going to torch them while they're all in one spot. Oh my gosh, I think I need more. Run out of fuel. That has lasted me like 2 years. I still laugh when I started this. I was using the giant container of MAP fuel. Like if I were to be welding. My dad had given it to me. And it comes in a really tall canister. It was quite awkward. Plus I didn't have a self-igniting lighter. So I would need to turn it. I'd need both hands because I would need to light it with the other. Times. Alrighty. I'm going to take the paint or the lids off the paint so you're not missing anything exciting right now. I have been reading your comments, but I'm just going to be honest and say it's probably a good chance I'm not going to get back to many, if not all you, because it's been a few weeks since the last time I think I answered was when I was in the hospital with my mom, and I spent the whole day online answering. So I'll get to you. Maybe. If not, and it's super important question, just ask me again. I am reading them all, but because I can, obviously scan through and read way faster than responding to everyone, but that doesn't mean I don't love you. I really, really do. Really, truly. You guys are awesome. And I was really excited to come down in my studio today and paint. And do you want to know why? Because my friends, hang on, which I say I don't do, is, because I don't usually have time, I was watching YouTube pouring videos last night and this morning, and it got me so inspired. Okay. So, like, it got my juices flowing. So that was pretty awesome. Now I'm going to use the thicker side. I'm thinking that maybe when I tilt this, and yes, I saw somebody doing something similar to this. I don't know who or when or where. And I've pulled out this. That sounds really bad. I have 2 kids, so obviously we do. Oh God, I'm so sorry. I won't say that again. Yeah. I'm going to... I actually want more of the white to come through. Well, it's not doing what I thought it would do, but it's pretty cool. I thought it would give it like, I don't know. I thought it would look different than this, but I like this. Yeah, that flame is weak. Gosh, I'm gonna go out and get a torch. Can't decide which direction to tilt. Remember when I was so excited that I got that new washer dryer? Our dryer's not drying. My 21-year-old dryer was still working, but my 2-month-old dryer stopped working. And my daughter's clothes were left in it all night. She came over to do her laundry, and it smelled of funk. OMG. Maybe one of the worst smells I've ever smelled. It was like a room full of freshman boys. It was disgusting. No offense to freshman boys, but they are gross. How thick is this? Ah, keep ending up with way too much color. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I like all the lines, but I don't like this. I don't know if I can. Okay. Now what if I tilt it all down towards me? And tilt some of that off. Not sure what will happen. kind of liking it. Ooh, I like it. I'm just going to pour a little bit more off. That's pretty sweet. I like it. I didn't know what I was expecting, but my poor sad flame. That's still dripping off the edges. I will bring you in for a close-up. It's pretty neat. I like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.